guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my videos. Today I'm gonna hand the phone onto a special person that just came to my house, and her name is Amber Rose.
Hi.
This is my official cousin that I've been missing
Yeah.
for like 5 months already, guys. She
Yeah.
only arrived like 5 minutes ago, and we have been having a very special bond, and we just miss each other so much. But
Yeah.
today I'm gonna hand the phone on to her so that she can
Make her own video.
accomplish how it feels to be a YouTuber for the day, and she's gonna be here for Saturday and Sunday. But I don't know what time she's going on Sunday, so we're just gonna enjoy this day and tomorrow while she's still here, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna have such a
Amazing day.
amazing weekend.
Yes, and tomorrow we're gonna go to Mama's house.
To whose house?
Mama.
Which mama? Oh no, officially we're not going to Mama Jean. My brother's going to Mama Jean's house.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna
And
hand the phone
we-
on to her.
And I got a big surprise for you, but you can't look. Okay.
It's
three.
challenge.
Okay.
In 3, 2,
2,
1.
Ta-da! And we got some paints and some markers, especially so cute.
And it's
look-
like so fashionable, guys.
And I know you guys saw these markers on YouTube and you guys really wanted to see them on a real channel with your cousin Eden. So I am a cousin and I'm almost going to her head.
Yeah, she's almost my height, guys. She's officially a big girl because she's like my age. Like I'm 7 and she's 7. But yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So she is going to do something while I'm gonna like help her and draw some stuff, paint some stuff, and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna. You understand? Yeah. Okay. So yeah.